everyone, I'm Allie.
Hi, I'm Anna.
And we are going to show you today one of our creations, the EVA Bead. So the EVA Bead is a chevron shaped bead that you can get in either glass or in metal. And that allows you kind of to change up the design, more modern, give you colors.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that modern sleek look with the metal.
Yeah, and I know some people, when it comes to Czech glass, are really concerned that they think, you know, the finish might come off. It is coated glass, so if you don't get some permalac on there, you can have the silver kind of rub off eventually over time. And that's really why we decided to go in and create the whole idea of making these in metal also. And the metal itself is a Zamek metal, and then it is coated for the metal EVAs in 24 karat gold or 999 silver. So unlike some platings that may kind of come off, it's a super, super thick coating.
And do you have to worry about allergies with these metals?
So it is, with the metal EVA, it is nickel-free. So the Zamek is a nickel-free metal. And then because it does have the gold property or the sterling silver property, most people aren't allergic to the 999 silver. They're allergic to that little tiny bit of copper or something else that's in it.
So it's a good option if you want to make jewelry for somebody that, if you don't know if they have a metal allergy or not.
Correct, yeah, it's a great option for that. And you can see how much it changes the color and the design if you're using it in a metal color versus, you know, that beautiful colored glass. Like, I love this bright jade turquoise color of the design. And I have one of your pendants here, and you can see how it kind of frames out the look of the design, as well as becomes kind of another component when it's done in metal, or it really takes focus in the design working with the EVA. So when you put it together, there's actually a little space inside, and it's enough space to put right around a 4mm crystal. So in case you're deciding kind of what to put in there, you can see the diamond duos fit in perfectly with it. And we'll say it's the original chevron, the original chevron shape bead when you're looking at it. So it is a 6x9mm glass or metal, and they're the exact same size. So if you see any designs with them where it uses the metal versus the glass, keep in mind that we had the glass first. So there's a lot more designs with the glass version.
But you just switch them out.
Correct.
You just switch
yeah,
them
and
out.
if you go to our YouTube page and follow us there, you can search in the little magnifying glass for the EVA bead and all the different designs, whether or not it's, you know, the Endless Summer pendant here or working with some of the other ones like Crossroads. You can interchange and mix and match those EVAs. One of the things that I did want to say is an EVA is not an AVA.
No, EVA and AVA are different.
Are completely separate designs.
They're both that sort of like a chevron shape, you could say, but the AVA is more like if you picture the letter A without the crossbar in the middle.
Correct. So that's the AVA and the EVA. We want to make sure that we follow up on any of those confusions.
A little taller, so the angle on the inside there is different.
It's going to be a little bit different in the design. And with the EVA bead, it's really fun because it is a little bit smaller than the AVA. The angle is at 90 degrees. And because it is smaller, even in the glass version, it's a lot more durable.
Yeah.
So, and it gives that kind of that fun, funky, and modern look. So if you need any AVAs, make sure you can check us out on potomacbeads.com as well as potomacbeads.eu. Get yourself some EVA beads, whether or not you're looking for metal or glass or color. And Anna, are we going to get any in a box? We did. We did.
Yes,
we already did.
I think we did, and yeah, I mean, it's one of our exclusives. So we're always putting the exclusives in there. So
always putting stuff in. So make sure to check that out as well. If you need any details or any links, check below us in the video. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Bye, everybody.
Bye.